Legends of Learning presents the Lemonade Grandee game. This is a math game that makes learning about understanding equivalent fractions fun and easy to understand.
Money from my parent. 1 cup of lemon juice.
In this informative, instructional game, you will learn the concept of equivalent fractions by helping a boy raise money. Follow the recipe closely and make sure to set the exact quantity of each ingredient.
Fractions for crushed ice.
This math game will test your knowledge on balancing fractions. Use your math skills to help you prepare lemonade for your customers. Use the mouse to click and select different numbers to determine the correct amount of water, ice, sugar, and lemons to add to your lemonade.
Ingredients more easily.
Use the right ratios to help you make the best lemonade for your customers.
Equal fractions are called equivalent fractions.
Use fractions by using numbers and images to help you determine the correct amount of ingredients to create the best lemonade to sell to make the most profit.
1/3, 2/6, 3/9, and so on are all equivalent fractions.
Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Yeah.